My name is Mackenzie Taylor and I'm a botanist, and I'm an associate professor of biology at Creighton University. The non-avian dinosaurs, so those are the dinosaurs that aren't the ancestor of birds, died out at the end of the Cretaceous during a mass extinction event that was likely caused by an asteroid striking the Earth. And this would have caused a lot of fire on the planet and also a lot of dust to go into the atmosphere that would have made it very dark and very cold for a long period of time. And this would have made it very hard for either plants or animals to survive. But some plants did survive. Ferns in particular were very successful right after the asteroid impact. So why did they? Well, a lot of plants didn't survive. Especially those close to the asteroid impact, they did go extinct. But at least some representatives of most families were able to persist through this period of dark and cold. And one advantage that plants have over animals is that they can go dormant. They can persist as seeds or spores or even underground structures for a long period of time and then grow when conditions are better. And ferns can regrow from underground stems, so after those initial fires, they might have been able to re-sprout. And if we look at genetics, we know that the plants that survived this boundary in past the Cretaceous had genes that gave them the ability to tolerate cold and avoid shade, which would really help them in times when there wasn't a lot of sunlight. Once plants survived that initial impact, they had to be able to adapt to new environments in this post-asteroid impact world. And flowering plants in particular are very good at adapting. One of the reasons is that they actually have duplicated their genome. So they have multiple copies of their genes. And so while one gene continues to do the most important stuff, the copies of those genes can evolve new functions and take on new functions. And this allowed these plants to adapt and diversify in these new conditions.